Okay, so Alicia sent me some Recover. Oh my goodness. This is the best stuff ever, Kaelin. Holy smokes. I can't use it yet because I'm still sick and I'm getting over this crud. Thank goodness it's not the flu. But, so I put like a little teeny tiny bit, like literally a teeny itty bitty bit, into some water. And I used some sweet tea Mio. Like, I think it was just the end of the world when I drank that. Like, it's so good. I seriously have no reason to even be drinking it right now because I can't even work out. But excuse me, sorry. But I wanted to try it. So, I seriously put like, I put like maybe that much in it. Into 24 ounces of water. It's the best stuff I think I have ever had. And I am so excited to work out after this crud is gone. Because I want to see how well this happens. Or how well this works. And seriously, y'all, it's like beautiful. It's so soft. Like, it just feels soft. And it tastes like a Jolly Rancher. Like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It is the best stuff ever. So, when I'm not sick, I'm going to do a workout. Because right now I'm focusing on my body getting better. But holy smokes. Kaelin, actually I should probably say holy treadmill since I got my treadmill finally. Can't use it, but holy treadmill. Kaelin, this is the best stuff I have ever tasted, and I don't like workout supplements whatsoever. Like, I'm really stupid picky. It's dumb. This is so good. Like, I can't even stop talking about it. So, thank you, Alicia, for sending this to me as a gift. I really appreciate it. She's not joking, y'all. This is tasty. So, alright. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys drink your water. This is how I'm getting mine in today. Watermelon candy sweet tea from Mio and Kaelin. Get it. Have a wonderful day.